So this is the Union Career Connect program at the high school, and these young adults are working on our Bike for Kids program.
You see how this is rubbing against the rim the whole time?
Most of the kids here are either manufacturing students, mechanic students to the city of Tulsa.
The bolt and washer that came with the bike do not fit this one.
Okay, I'll have to get you some more.
It's pretty fun. Gets us out of school for the day, so.
That's a perk. We are going to be taking them to schools, and the principal or whoever's in charge of their program there is going to come out, tell us how many bikes they need, and then we're going to give them to them.
And it's going to be going to those elementary school kids. It's going to go out to the needy kids.
You'd be surprised about how much people come from a low-income background. So really, we're just trying to help them out through the holidays, you know. Bless them with some special gifts, you know. See a big smile on their face, because that's what also puts a smile on my face.
What we do is we run this kind of like a manufacturing process. We bring the bikes in, we kind of examine the bikes and make sure they're functioning. Then we run them down and wash them, then we bring them in here, check the tires, air the tires up. Then we pull them inside and go through the bike. We check the brakes, the seat, the drivetrain, the handlebars, make sure the bike is safe and functioning properly. And then when it is, we get it ready to send it back out to a needy student. It's a mechanical aptitude requirement. I mean, you got to know how to work with wrenches and screwdrivers and how things function, and so it's good for them. These young adults will know how to fix a flat tire for their child when they get there, so that's good to know.
We can fix that. Let's put it in this line right here.
So far, we've got about 38 bikes ready. We'll probably get another 30 or so before the end of the days. Next week, we'll start distributing them to the elementary schools.
That's pure joy, nothing but joy. And once I see that, you know, I might shed a couple tears, you know, because it's just like you changed somebody's day and you didn't even realize it, you know? I mean, this work that we're doing has a big impact.